Mira Jane, Elfman, and Lisanna can paint a room together in 2 hours. If Elfman does the job alone, he can paint the room in 5 hours. If Mira Jane works alone, she can also paint the room in 5 hours. But if Lisanna works alone, how long would it take her to paint the room?
Determine the hourly rates for each person and for the whole group. Using the formula, R is equals to W over T, which R is the product of the rate of work. W is the amount of the work done. T is the time spent working. They can paint the room for 2 hours, which represent as the product of the rate of work, and we will write it as room over R or 1 over 2. Work is painting one room, so W is equals to 1. Mira Jane can paint the room in 5 hours. We write it as room over R or 1 over 5. And Elfman can also paint the room in 5 hours. We do the same, 1 over 5. Since we don't know how long Lisanna will take, we need to keep the variable T.
Write an equation to show that the sum of their individual rates equals the group rate. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over t is equal to 1 over 2. To solve the equation, first we need to find the least common denominator, or the LCD, of the individual rates. We can get it by multiplying pi by 2 by t. Note, we can only multiply the denominator in getting the LCD if they are not multiple of each other and if they are not like terms. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 10 multiplied by t is 10t. Our LCD is 10t. Since we already found the LCD, we multiply it with the term of both sides. 10t times 1 over 5 plus 10t times 1 over 5 plus 10t times 1 over t is equal to 1 half times 10t. First term, 10t times 1 is 10t divided by 5. We set aside the variable t, so 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then copy the variable t. It will be 2t. Do the same for the second and third term. Even on the other side, since second term are the same to the first term, do the same solution. 10t times 1 is 10t divided by 5 is equal to 2t. Third term, 10t times 1 is 10t divided by t. Since there are t in the numerator and the denominator, we cancel it out, and just 10 will be left out. On the other side, 10t times 1 is 10t divided by 2 is equal to 5t. So we write it as 2t plus 2t plus 10 equals to 5t.
Since 2t and 2t are like terms and has the same sign which is positive, we add it, and it will be 4t plus 10 equals to 5t. To get the answer, we need to transpose 4t to the other side for us to combine the like terms. Note, when you transpose, always change the sign. Since 4t is positive, when you transpose it, it will turn to negative. 10 equals to 5t minus 4t.
Since 5t and 4t are like terms but have different signs, we need to subtract them. We set aside the variable t and subtract 5 and 4, and the answer is 1. Then copy the variable. We write it as 1t, or just simply write t. T is equals to 10. Therefore, Lisanna will take 10 hours to paint the room by herself.
Created using Powtoon.